How to open TikTok in mute. Hey everyone, welcome back to the channel. If you're new here, don't forget to hit the subscribe button and turn on the notification bell to not miss any updates. So, do you want to make sure that your TikTok opens in mute? Then you're in the right place. Let's dive right in. First things first, open up your TikTok app and then go to your profile icon on the bottom right corner of the screen and then go to the three lines on the top right, then tap on settings and privacy. Here, scroll down and under Content and Display, tap on Playback. Here you'll find the Open TikTok on Mute option. Just toggle it on. Now, videos will be muted by default when you open TikTok. You need to tap to unmute the videos or use your device's volume controls. It's as simple as that. If you found this tutorial helpful, don't forget to like and subscribe to our channel for more tips and tricks. Thank you for watching. See you in the next video, everyone.